The Grundei Belt Scissor Lift gets by without hydraulics. This makes it the ideal solution for automotive, paint shops or just any automatic solution. One key feature is the knee lever, which acts as a support between the scissors so that in the extended position the belt forces become very low. The Grundei Belt Scissor Lift moves down in an even and jerk-free movement, ensuring minimal wear and tear on the machinery. This smooth operation extends the lift's lifespan, reducing maintenance costs and providing users with a reliable and long-lasting solution. The patent-pending curve geometry ensures a constant speed of the upper frame throughout the entire stroke. This innovation not only allows lifting tables to maintain steady power, but also reduces the installed motor power by up to 40%, drastically optimizing space and efficiency. To meet the safety requirements by law, our scissor lifts include the safe brake test. The safe brake test initiates a testing procedure that can be performed multiple times throughout the day. Each brake undergoes an independent test involving brake engagement and overload torque application. If the drive shaft remains stationary during this test, it confirms the brake's functionality. However, should the motor encoder detect any movement during this examination, it indicates brake wear, and the maintenance team will be notified.